Today, I am reviewing COSORI TurboBlaze 6QT Air Fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The COSORI 6-quart TurboBlaze Air Fryer is one of those appliances that feels like it was designed with busy households in mind, yet it doesn't cut corners on performance or quality. From the moment you take it out of the box, it gives a premium impression with its sleek dark gray finish and compact, yet generous design. At 6 quarts, it strikes a perfect balance, large enough to prepare meals for the whole family, yet not so bulky that it dominates your countertop. It is lightweight at just over 13 pounds, making it easy to move around or store if needed. Right away, it feels like a kitchen upgrade rather than just another gadget. What sets this air fryer apart is its TurboBlaze technology. Unlike many traditional air fryers that rely on a single-speed fan, the COSORI TurboBlaze features a powerful 5-speed fan system paired with a motor that can push air at up to 3,600 RPM. This means food gets evenly cooked with a crisp exterior and juicy interior, all without the inconsistencies you sometimes get from cheaper air fryers. The temperature range is impressive as well, starting at 90 degrees Fahrenheit and going all the way up to 450, which gives you the freedom to do much more than just air fry. You can roast vegetables, bake cookies, dehydrate fruits, broil meats, reheat leftovers, or even proof dough for bread making. Having 9 different cooking functions in one compact unit makes it incredibly versatile. Another feature that stands out is the ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray. Many air fryers rely on Teflon or cheaper coatings, which can wear down over time. The ceramic coating here feels much sturdier. It's nonstick, scratch-resistant, and safe for higher heat. This makes cooking and cleanup easier while also extending the life of the appliance. Since the basket and tray are also dishwasher-safe, it saves you time on scrubbing, which is something you'll really appreciate after preparing a big meal. It's a small detail, but one that makes daily use much more enjoyable. Health-conscious users will also love the fact that this air fryer allows you to enjoy the crispiness of fried food while using up to 95% less oil. You can cook chicken wings, fries, or even breaded shrimp and still achieve that golden, crunchy texture without the grease of traditional frying. For families trying to cut back on oil or for anyone watching their diet, this feature alone makes the COSORI TurboBlaze a worthwhile purchase. Yet, it doesn't compromise on taste, which is the real magic. The capacity upgrade is another highlight. The square basket design is wider and deeper than many circular models, which means you can fit more food in a single batch, like up to 20 chicken wings at once. It's perfect for family dinners, small gatherings, or even weekly meal prep. Despite its large capacity, the unit remains compact in footprint, which is ideal if counter space is limited. Another area where this air fryer shines is in its quiet operation. Even at high fan speeds, it runs at less than 53 decibels, which is about the same as a normal conversation. This makes a big difference when you're cooking during early mornings or late evenings and don't want a noisy appliance disturbing the peace. Combined with its efficient cooking times, it makes the kitchen environment much more pleasant. The customizable preheat function also deserves a mention. While some air fryers automatically preheat whether you want them to or not, the COSORI TurboBlaze gives you flexibility. You can choose to skip preheating for quick, no-fuss meals, or enable it for even better cooking results when you're making dishes that need precise texture. It's a thoughtful touch that makes the user experience smoother. On the practical side, safety and ease of use are well covered. The LED touchscreen is bright, responsive, and easy to wipe clean. The automatic shutoff and pause features ensure that if you pull the basket out mid-cook, the unit will pause and resume without losing your settings. It also comes with a detailed manual, a quick start guide, and a recipe book that provides over 30 chef-curated recipes. On top of that, the COSORI app offers over 100 additional recipes with nutritional facts, which makes it easy to get creative in the kitchen, even if you're not an experienced cook. Overall, the COSORI TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer delivers an excellent balance of performance, convenience, and health benefits. It's fast, efficient, and versatile enough to replace several kitchen appliances. Whether you're air frying crispy snacks, roasting hearty meals, baking desserts, or even dehydrating fruit for healthy snacks, it does it all with ease. Add to that the ceramic coating, whisper-quiet performance, and generous capacity, and you have an air fryer that feels a step ahead of most others on the market.